राम बंधु और भगिनी, आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज करने जा रहे हैं बात बहुत ही सुंदर विषय से संबंधित, जो कि विषय होगा सर्विस प्रोग्राम और प्रोग्राम से संबंधित, कि RPGLE कोड में हम किस प्रकार से एरर हैंडलिंग करते हैं मॉनिटर ग्रुप की सहायता से, और उसमें भी एक % स्टेटस जो बिल्ट इन फंक्शन होता है उसका क्या उपयोग है और उसका हम किस प्रकार से उपयोग करते हैं स्टेटस देखने के लिए कि एरर का स्टेटस कोड क्या है। यही देखने के लिए हम आज आरंभ करते हैं इस सुंदर वीडियो को। इसमें आप देखेंगे कि आई हैव ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड 2 modules. One is this one called ERPGM1 and another one is SRV1. So 2 modules already created for you so that we can save some time for this video. Okay, so first just look into this first module, that is the main module. Okay, 5 for browse, you all know. Okay, तो इसके भीतर स्टार स्टार फ्री, ये फ्री फॉर्मेट में कोड लिखने के लिए, और यहाँ पे है Ctl-Opt मेन, नेम ये दे रखा है कॉल RPGM। ओके, और यहाँ पे देखिए पैरामीटर कितने हैं, 4, और एक ये पैरामीटर है जो अभी मैंने ऐड किया है इसमें % स्टेटस देखने के लिए। ओके, दोनों स्थान पर ऐड कर लिया है और इसको एवेल्यूट भी कर लिया है। एवेल्यूट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये तो है हमारा मेन में इस प्रकार से आएगा, ये जब जिस फंक्शन को हम कॉल करेंगे वो ही हमको रिटर्न करेगा। ठीक है, तो फंक्शन कौन सा है, वो सर्विस प्रोग्राम का मॉड्यूल है, उससे आएगा एक्चुअली एज ए रिटर्न पैरामीटर। तो वो कौन सा है, वो है math SRV1। सो जस्ट ब्राउज दिस मॉड्यूल and shift F7 to go to the extreme left and then see here, this is the monitor group. Okay, monitor group start from here, from monitor and end on and on. Okay, you all know that part. Okay, so on error this, so it is coming here. So now we are doing here one thing, % status, it will give the status code. Okay, and then converting to the character so that we can consume directly to in our display command. Okay, so it will send from here. Okay, so the same way from here. Okay, so we put the code and now we need to create a service program module. So service program module, okay, so you know that one. Okay, that command, that option is for 15. आप बहुत सारे होशियार हो, ये जानते हैं 15। ओके, सिर्फ 10 F10 and then source SOURC and yes, now we will create a service program using this one. So I just created, so I'm just getting that command by using F9. Create PGM, before this is str, this is create SRV PGM. So this is our service program name, math SRV1, the same as the module. Okay, and that export star all, because we are not going to use binder source here for this particular case. Okay, so hit enter. So our service program created. So if you want to check the detail of the service program, so you just copy this name and you can fire one command that is called display SRB PGM and service program name. So this is the module in the service program and this is the symbol of sub procedure in the service program, which is exposed by this service program. Now we gonna to create main module. Main module is this one called ERPGM1. For creating 15 F10, all is already selected. Okay, so we give the source for debugging view. It is not mandatory, but I am giving because I need to debug this source. So it is created. Now based on this one we will create a program. So I just created a program using this one, so I am just getting the same command by taking F9 because F9 will give the previous run commands. Okay, this is the create pgm command. Okay, so my program will be math pgm1, and this is our module. Here it is, and this is our service program from where we are consuming that function or service, and this is the library, and hit enter. So it is created. Okay, so you can see this program if you want. So first, for viewing the detail of the program, there is a command called display pgm and the program name. Hit enter. This is the module which is used in this program. Okay, this is the service program used in this program. If you want to see the detail of this one, the service program, just take 5 and hit enter, and this is the procedure. You can check from here. Okay, so my motto is not to check this one. I'm just going enter, and come out from here. Now I put this code in this debug, str dvz, and then give the program name. Program name is srv pgm1, if I'm not wrong. Okay, I believe this is not a program. So what is the program we created? We created math pgm1. Okay, math pgm1, math pgm1. Okay, now I want to put my breakpoint in that particular sub procedure. So that sub procedure coming from service program. So how can I add that service program in the debug? So this is the way: shift F2 and then give 1 to add the program, and give the service program name here, that is math srv1. Okay, math srv1, and library yogi 111, and then type of program is srv pgm, and hit enter. So it is added. Okay, now how can I put that breakpoint in that inside the service program procedure? Okay, so that's how. For you need to take a option here is mentioned to see the module source. So you can take a option here 5. So you can see the code now here. Shift F7. Okay, and you can put a breakpoint here on this command. And just come out and then call your program. That program name is math. Okay, math pgm1. So our control will stop, processing will stop on this the breakpoint. Okay, now so you can see what is that inside p1 150, and we divide this by 0, and then let's see what happened. Okay, it's going on error. This is not the error. Okay, so 00103 is not the error, so it is going on error. Second one. Okay, so here see the status. What would be the status? Okay, see the error code here, 102. Okay, fine. Now it will return, and it will come to the main procedure. Now if you want to see here the code, it returned 102, and now it will display, and it will processing is end, and we will end dbs and dbz and dbz. Now we go to the dspjob log f10 shift f6. So see, display error. So this display command display the error is 102. This is the status, cannot divide by 0. So this is the error. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, okay, if you like. Okay, thank you very much. Jai Shri Ram.